Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted posts on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Have you ever deleted a Facebook post and then wish you could get it back? Maybe you deleted it accidentally or you just wanted to declutter your feed but are now having a second thought. When you delete a post on Facebook, it doesn't actually disappear from the platform immediately. Instead, it's moved to a hidden folder called trash. Facebook keeps posts in trash for 30 days before permanently deleting them. This means that if you accidentally delete a post or change your mind about deleting later, you have up to 30 days to recover it. However, once the 30 days are up, the post will be gone and for good and you won't be able to recover it. So now, what if you want to recover it before 30 days? So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to settings by scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. You can just scroll down and go to activity log. Here on your activity section, there is an option activity log. You can just tap on that. And you can go to the trash in here. Tap on trash. So here all your deleted posts on your Facebook. Now it left 20 days left. If you want to recover it, you can just choose on the post that you want to recover. Maybe this one. And tap on restore in here. Item you restored to your profile can be seen by the audience that was selected before they were moved to trash. You can just tap on restore. So that post will be moved to your profile on your Facebook. Or you can just, if you want to restore all your deleted posts, you can just tap on all and restore it. So simple, right? So that is how to restore deleted posts on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.